Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. My name is Urmila Shirvatkar. I am a business development specialist at RMD, and today I'll be giving you a sneak preview of recent product developments at RMD. So, a little bit about RMD. Our mission is to perform world-class science and develop exceptional commercial products. RMD was founded in 1974 and it was acquired by Dynasil in 2008. RMD has about 75 employees and a lot of them have advanced degrees and such. Our research has been mainly funded by various government agencies, and as a result of that, we are able to put out really some high quality products into the market. One example would be the alpha-solide scintillator development at RMD. So RMD has patented alpha-solide scintillators Click and Seal LBC, and the advantage there is that they contain lithium and therefore offer simultaneous gamma ray and neutron detection for the instruments. They offer good energy resolution for isotope ID. Lithium-6 enrichment allows for neutron efficiency to be at least 2 times higher than that of helium-3 tubes. Then they offer excellent PSD and gamma ray rejection. Also now we are able to grow Click in up to Click boules up to 3-inch by 7-inch long, and therefore now we have launched a new product this year, which is a Click cylinder that is 3-inch in diameter by 4-inch long. We also offer Seal LBC detectors 2-inch by 2-inch in sizes, and all other custom shapes and sizes are also available. Then we offer Click and Seal LBC in different configurations, such as the bare crystals packaged on PMTs or coupled to SIPMs. So just a little bit more about Click. So these are typical results and specs for Click. So Click has gamma ray energy resolution of about 4% at 662 keV, and we have managed to maintain that even for really large sizes. Also on the right you see the PSD plot of 3-inch Click cylinder, and you can see that the gamma rays and neutrons are well separated with FOM of 4, and you can also separate between different reaction channels for the thermal and the fast neutrons. So the region B indicates the thermal neutron events, and region C and D indicate the different fast neutron reactions via the 35 chlorine NP and then the lithium-6 and 35 chlorine and alpha reactions. And the table below indicates specs on Click, and you can also go to our website and download the brochures. These are some photographs of Click products. They are offered in different configurations as bare crystals in sealed packages and also coupled to SIPMs and PMTs. And as I mentioned before, recently we have optimized our crystal growth to further scale up Click to even larger sizes. The photograph here shows Click boule, which is 3-inch in diameter and 7-inch long in size. As you can see, the crystal is high quality and crack free. We are offering lithium-6 and lithium-7 Click crystals, which are 3-inch diameter by 4-inch cylinder sizes as a standard product now. And the advantage here is really high gamma and neutron efficiency. These are the results on the 3-inch diameter by 4-inch long Click crystal. Plot on the left shows energy resolution of 4.5% at 662 keV, and the plot on the right shows really good PSD between gammas and neutrons. The scatter plot on top, and then the FOM plot is on the bottom, and that shows a FOM of about 3.5. These are Click detectors coupled to SIPMs, different sizes, 1.5-inch, 2-inch cylinders, as well as 2-inch by 2-inch by 6mm plate is shown here. So standard and also custom designs are possible. We can use different SIPM arrays and geometries with our own PCB on it, and also with a temperature sensor added for temperature stabilization. Click is also in Thermo Fisher Scientific's products such as the Radii and also the Radii GN Plus, and the spectroscopic version of that is the Radii SPRD GN. We also work with a lot of research customers at the universities, national labs, and here is one such example where Click is used in NASA's Luna mission. This is the project RMD worked on with University of Arizona, and the objective here was to measure the special concentration of water at the South Pole. The cosmic ray interactions in the soil result in moderated neutrons related to the water concentration, And to measure the spatial distribution of neutrons, RMD built and delivered detectors, and now they're in space in the 6U CubeSat. This year we are launching a new detector based on CLIQ coupled to SIPM arrays for helium-3 replacement. The detectors are shown here in the picture. They're connected to a phone with software to display the data. The technology here is that the array of CLIQ scintillators are coupled to SIPMs, and they're packaged in aluminum tubes to retrofit high pressure helium-3 tubes. We obtain a neutron efficiency of 30 counts per second per NV, and that is comparable to the 20 atmospheric helium-3 tubes of similar dimensions. We offer different modular designs and configurable sensitivity to meet the requirements of the helium-3 tube that we are replacing. Also, different configurable outputs are available, such as the USB, SPI, and TTL, and you can contact RMD for more information on these. Another very unique product that RMD has developed under Dieter Punning is the Thermal and Fast Neutron Multiplicity Counter, the MCTF as we call it. The MCTF is a field deployable device that first responders can use to quickly assess with high confidence the threat level posed by a suspected nuclear weapon. It detects time correlated fast and thermal neutron emissions that are characteristics of SNM, which is the primary ingredient of a nuclear weapon. So here the full system is shown in the left picture. The middle picture shows 3 submodules that are inside the whole system, and each submodule is shown in the right picture, which has total 10 tubes of CLIQ and still beam detectors. So each tube has either 3 CLIQs or 3 still beam crystals inside, and individual detector coupled to SIPMs are shown in the middle picture in the bottom. So it's a very sophisticated system with complex electronics to collect and process the data. So it's not possible to go over the whole functioning of the system in this forum, but you can contact RMD for more details. For data collection, control, and analysis, the MCTF is connected to a military-grade Windows PC tablet over a USB hub. The tablet has the control software to analyze the timestamps of the data as they are read in, and from there interpret whether or not the source is a threat for a quick assessment. The second software, that is online statistical analysis of neutron time correlations, OSANTC, that is developed by Lawrence Livermore National Lab, gives the mass and the source type by multiplication analysis of the time correlated neutrons. Again, these softwares need proper training for the user, and the support and the documentation can be provided along with the product. With that, I'm going to go on to the next scintillator, CLLBC, and talk about the products based on that. CLLBC has 2 times higher light output and better energy resolution than CLIQ. It's comparable to that of lanthanum bromides, which is around 3% at 662 keV. Also, it has higher density and better gamma ray efficiency than CLIQ. Similar to CLIQ, CLLBC is also dual mode scintillator, which has good pulse height and pulse shape discrimination between neutrons and gamma rays. It has a high PSD FOM, and it also has fast neutron detection and spectroscopy due to the presence of 35 chlorine in its composition. These are typical results and specs for CLLBC. For a 2-inch cylinder, we typically get ER of about 3% at 662 keV and PSD FOM of about 3.5 as shown in the right plot. The other properties are listed in the table below and are also available for download on our website. These are pictures of typical CLLBC cylinders available as standard products. We have managed to maintain a really good energy resolution of 3% at 662 keV as we scale up from 1 inch to 1.5 inch to 2 inch sizes as shown in the plot on the right. They are offered as bare crystals as well as sealed packages or coupled to PMTs or SIPMs as a readout. This is an example of a 1.5-inch cylinder of CLLBC crystal coupled to a SIPM array, which is shown in the top pictures before and after wrapping it in a reflector. And the package detector is shown in the bottom picture. We use custom low power electronics for temperature stabilization. Also, pulse processing and spectrum generation electronics are available. The plot on the right shows really good ER of 3.5% for a package detector, and the performance is close to what we see when we measure it on the PMT. RFD CLLBC is now used in many instruments. On the left is Chromex D5 Red. Next to that is Lawrence Berkeley National Labs NG-LAMP imaging system, and below that is a picture of NG-LAMP on an unmanned aircraft system. Next to that is a gamma ray imaging system called Chorus 360, which is developed by Australia's Nuclear Science and Technology Organization, ANSTO. And to the right of that is FLIR's R440 Red. So it's truly exciting for us to see CLLBC detector in these instruments, and we are well set up to support these instruments in the market. With that, I'll move on to the next scintillator, strontium iodide. We also offer high-resolution gamma detector strontium iodide. This was developed by collaboration of Lawrence Livermore, RMD, Oak Ridge, and Fisk. It has ER of 3% at 662 keV and high light yield of 80,000 photons per MeV. We offer different sizes up to 2-inch cylinders, and different configurations are available. Another very exciting product by RMD is a Gluvac ceramic garnet. It has high density of 7.1 grams per centimeter cube, has good light yield of 45,000 photons per MeV, and a good ER of about 8%, as shown in the plot on the right. It has fast emission with a principal decay of 70 nanoseconds. So overall, these properties make it suitable for high energy radiography and medical imaging applications. We offer Gluvac in different sizes such as cylinders and slabs, and these are also available as pixelated arrays as shown in the pictures on the left. And for more information, please visit our booth and website. The next product category I'm going to talk about is scintillator films for X-ray and neutron imaging. This year we are introducing high-performance scintillator films for X-ray imaging and systems as our standard product. This film is called High-Speed Scintillator HSS film, which has much faster decay as shown in the plot here in comparison with the standard Gadox scintillator. This allows for 500 frames per second imaging speed that's ideal for imaging superfast phenomena such as the hypervelocity projectile in motion, as shown in the picture on the right. We make large area films of HSS, which are 18 inches wide and up to 48 inches long. We also offer a complete imaging system that has the scintillator film, the intensifier, and other optical components, such as the mirrors and lenses and such, for ultra high speed X-ray imaging. So please visit our booth for more information on these. We also manufacture low afterglow microcolumnar cesium iodide films. The microcolumnar structure allows for better light collection and high spatial resolution. The reduced afterglow allows for faster throughput in digital radiography applications such as the cargo scanning systems. We have also developed lutetium-based films, the lutetium iodide and the lutetium oxide films that have fast decay and also high absorption efficiency due to lutetium in it, and therefore are suitable for hard X-ray applications. We've also developed lithium sodium iodide LNI microcolumnar films for neutron radiography applications. These have high neutron efficiency and excellent spatial resolution. So the photographs of the films and the images obtained are shown on the left. For more information on the scintillator films, please contact our booth. Another exciting product we are launching this year is the low background sodium iodide. RMD and Princeton have developed methods for production of sodium iodide crystals with ultra low background for dark matter searches. On the left, you see a picture of 3.4 kilogram sodium iodide crystal that's currently under evaluation in Sabre. In the middle, you see the sodium iodide packaged with 2 low background PMTs. We see extremely low levels of potassium, that's 5 parts per billion in finished crystals. Now the crystals are being measured in Sabre, and we are producing really large boules of 8 kilograms of sodium iodide currently at RMD. In summary, RMD is set up for large-scale production of Click and Seal LBC. Click and Seal LBC are used in commercial instruments offered by various OEM manufacturers. RMD provides applications engineering, packaging expertise, customization, and consistency in products. Click is now offered up to 3-inch by 4-inch in sizes. They are offered to research customers at US national labs and universities. Standard as well as custom designs are offered. We are also offering scintillator screens for X-ray and neutron imaging, as well as X-ray imaging systems are offered as standard products. New products this year are click-based helium-3 replacement tubes, ceramic scintillators, glue gag for high-energy radiography and medical applications, also the low background ultra-pure sodium iodide, and stay tuned for the thermal and fast neutron multiplicity counter as the upcoming product. The work presented here was drawn by current and past projects sponsored by DTRA, DNDO, CWMD, DOE, and NIH. Their funding is greatly appreciated, and thank you all for your attention.